is batting first and Rohit is going to rock Mumbai Indians #1.
The stage is set, the stakes are high, and today it's Mumbai Indians taking on Lucknow Super Giants in a very crucial playoff. With the season finally crossing its halfway mark, every match is very important in deciding which team is going to make it to the playoff. While Mumbai has finally picked up its performance after quite a slump, can they show consistency when it matters the most? Before the action kicks off, let's hear from the fans about their bold takes, their dream picks, and their most memorable moments. Let's kick things off. इस साल रोहित शर्मा की परफॉर्मेंस पे आपका क्या कहना है?
देखिए वो उसने अभी तक अब बेस्ट करने लगा है. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि गिर रहा है. 0 से स्टार्ट किया था, 18 पे आया, उससे 2 70s देखे हमने. शायद आज सेंचुरी देख सकते.
ऑब्वियसली मुंबई का राजा हम सबको पता है, लाइक उसको टाइम लगता है थोड़े इनिशियली, बट अभी वो फॉर्म में आ चुका है. सो आई थिंक उसका स्कोर आप देखोगे तो हर मैच में बढ़ता हुआ गया है. So I think इस मैच में डेफिनेटली 100 बनाएगा.
If there's any player that you can pick from the Lucknow team to put in the Mumbai team,
might be Rishabh Pant. Do well. We are here to support you. Even if you lose, we don't care. We are here to see you.
अगर लखनऊ की टीम से आप किसी को मुंबई की टीम में डाल सकते हैं तो वो कौन होगा?
लखनऊ की टीम से मुझे निकोलस पूरन बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. ही इज़ अ फैंटास्टिक incredibly talented batsman. अगर वो मुंबई इंडियन में आ जाए तो फिर मुंबई इंडियन will be invincible.
Actually, it's a trend of Mumbai Indians. They lose first and they win later on, and finally they will reach to semi-final. And I think so. This time they will win also.
Are you happy with Pandya's captaincy?
Yeah.
Why not?
The fact that we are back in form, we are almost qualifying for the playoffs. Hitman is back in form, so just hoping for the best. Hoping for a big inning today.
For his century this game.
Hoping for a big inning today. Hitman Chi Dahshat.
What do you feel about Bumrah's performance?
Bumrah, after the injury, thoda it's been down, but I think the other bowlers are keeping up quite well, including Deepak Char. He's so good. So yeah, I think he'll get back. He'll get back. He's Bumrah. Yaar. You have to put your faith in Bumrah. He's the man.
अभी जैसे we're almost halfway past the season और सारे matches बहुत crucial होने वाले हैं. तो आपको लगता है MI can make it to the finals?
Finals तो थोड़ा मतलब playoffs I think they can make it to the playoffs. Still it's difficult because there are better teams like Punjab, KKR, Rajasthan, not Rajasthan but Punjab, KKR are good. Even GT is good. So it's gonna be a tough competition for Mumbai Indians, but मुझे लगता है हो जाएगा.
रोहित शर्मा की परफॉर्मेंस पे आपको क्या फीलिंग्स हैं इस सीजन?
देखो ये पहले तो आउट ऑफ फॉर्म में था, अभी ही इज लाइक नया वर्जन खुल चुका है उसका. जो पुराना फॉर्म था, ही इज बैक. I think today against LSG he's scoring 50 above.
If there's any person that you could pick from the Lucknow team to put into the Mumbai team, who would that be?
Lucknow team and put it in the Mumbai team. Puran, amazing. Maybe with Rohit Sharma, Puran would be. It will be a blast. मतलब 150 तो हो गया पहले 10 ओवर में. And then later on we also have more batters. तिलक वर्मा है, हार्दिक पांड्या, everyone is there. तो पूरन में भी yeah.
I love Bumrah. So like anything about Bumrah, I'll be extremely biased and just say that always Bumrah is like the best bowler in the world right now.
रोहित शर्मा की परफॉर्मेंस अभी एक स्लम्प के बाद पिकअप हुई है. आप क्या फील कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में?
Of course, needless to say, he's India's one of the biggest, greatest, legendary batsmen. उनके बारे में बोलने वाले हम कौन होते हैं? मैं तो उनके नाम की जर्सी भी पहनता हूँ. एंड उनको देख देख के हमने बैटिंग सीखी है. ही इज़ आवर कैप्टन. उनको तो मुंबई इंडियन का भी कैप्टन होना चाहिए. And he definitely deserves to be at the top of the order. What a dasher, what a batsman.
What would you like to say about Rohit's performance?
Excellent performance from last 2 matches. He's played so well. Like he's back in form finally.
Only one message that what we can say. Play well and give your best.
Give your best. That's what we can say, because we are fan of Mumbai Indians and we can always praise for them itself. Play well and win the match for the day.
I just feel like MI generally we're like 5-time champions. Just make it one more.